to use AI to match search intent and rank higher on Google. Hi, this is Priya from Rabbit Loader, and today I am going to show you how to use AI to understand user search intent so you can pick better keywords, create smarter content, and rank faster with way less trial and error. Let's break down why intent is the foundation of modern SEO and how AI makes it insanely easy to get right. Point number one is what is search intent and why it matters. To start, let's define what we are working with. Search intent is the way behind every Google search query. Let's break that down with a few examples. How to start a podcast. They're looking to learn, that's informational intent. Best podcast microphones 2024. They are comparing options, that's commercial intent. Buy Blue Yeti mic online, they are ready to make a purchase. That's transactional intent. And if someone types Spotify for podcasters login, they just want to reach a specific site. That's navigational intent. Google's job is to understand that intent and serve content that matches it perfectly. Make sure your content answers the right questions at the right stage of the journey. Now that you understand what search intent is, let's move into how you can spot it in real time without the need to manually analyze every keyword. Point number two is use Google SERPs to decode intent. The fastest way to identify search intent, just Google the keyword, search best running shoes for beginners. You will see review styles listicles, product roundups, and YouTube comparisons. That's a clear indicator of commercial intent. People are comparing options before buying. Now try how to tie running shoes for long distance. You will see blog tutorials, instructional videos, and featured snippets. That's informational intent. Users want to learn, not buy. One more by Nike Pegasus 40. You will see e-commerce listings, products pages and ads. This is pure transactional intent. They are ready to make a purchase. The SERP tells you what kind of content Google want to rank for that query. Use it as your first filter because Google is already showing you what intent it associates with each keyword. But what if you need to check dozens of keywords? Manually searching and analyzing each one could take hours. That's where AI comes in to save your time and give you precision. Point number three is how to use AI to understand search intent instantly. AI tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek can help you identify intent in seconds without manually searching each query and checking the results. Let's say you are targeting the keyword beginner yoga mat. Open ChatGPT and ask, what is the search intent behind this keyword? You will get a clear response. This is likely commercial intent. Someone looking to compare options, maybe shop soon. Now type search intent behind how to choose yoga mat. That's informational intent. The user wants advice or education, not to shop. And that clarity matters because if you serve a product page to an informational searcher or a blog post to someone ready to buy, you will lose both ranking and traffic. And yes, figuring that out manually would take a lot more time and guesswork. AI gives you immediate insight so you can align your content from the start. Point number four is generate intent, aligned keywords based on content type. Here's a smarter way to approach keyword research. Instead of asking, what keywords should I target? Start by asking, what kind of content am I creating? If you're writing a product page, ask AI, give me commercial and transactional keyword for a product page selling Bluetooth headphones. AI might return, buy Bluetooth headphones online. Bluetooth headphones with noise cancellation. Best Bluetooth headphones under $100. Now switch to a blog post. Give me informational keywords for a blog post about choosing headphones. Now you will get how to choose Bluetooth headphones, headphones type explained, Bluetooth versus wired headphones, pros and cons. Similar topic, but totally different user intent, and therefore a different keyword strategy. When your content type matches your keyword's intent, you are not just targeting better, you are creating content that satisfies users and ranks better. Point number 5 is categorize keywords by intent using AI. If you have already done your keyword research using tools like SEMrush or Ubersuggest and have a list of 20 to 30 terms, the next step is organizing them based on intent. Paste that list into ChatGPT and ask, sort these keywords by search intent: informational, commercial, transactional, and navigational. AI will group your keywords into categories instantly so you can match each one to the content type it belongs to. This saves hours and, more importantly, it helps you build the right content for the right query. For example, don't try to rank a blog post using keywords with transactional intent like buy wireless earbuds. That's meant for a product page, not an educational article. Using the wrong content for the wrong intent is the one of the biggest reason people don't rank, no matter how good their writing is. Search intent is what separates content that gets seen from content that gets buried. If your content doesn't match what people are really searching for, Google won't rank it and your audience won't stick around. But now, with AI, you don't have to guess. You can analyze search intent instantly, generate keywords based on the type of content you are creating, categorize and align every keyword with a strategy that works. That's how modern SEO works and how you can win in less time. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more real world SEO strategies, and let me know in the comments which type of search intent are you focusing on next? And if you are on WordPress, RabbitLoader helps your site load faster, pass core web vitals, and convert more of the high intent traffic. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.